Okay. Cut that. Cut that. Cut that. Marc. El hijo de Doña Tere. You know, I got this person, not Marc back there, this one, this picture. My older sister, older than me. I'm the baby of 6, so she sent me this. I wonder what is it. Let me check it out. Oh, I'm in Tampa. She's in PR. PR means Puerto Rico, not, public relations. And Carolina, Paquecuestre, house of Tito and Barbino. Yeah, he lived down there. In Paquecuestre. Who knows? Let me see what my big 6 did. Damn, so many package. Recycle. Get this out of the way, bad boy. More. Holy cow. Let me take a nap. Nah. More. Ta-ra-ga-ga. Ta-ra-ta-ta. Ta-da-ta-ta! Holy fucking shit! Oh, I think what it is. Tamarindos. Tamarindo. My favorite fruit. Oh. Wow. Thank you, sis. Bad boys for life. It is what it is. Look at that. Ooh. Jugo de tamarindo. Wow. Wow. This is a snack. It's not what you know. It's who you know and who got your blood. So you could get this shit here in Tampa, Florida, from Puerto Rico. You could buy the stuff. I did bought it one time. What stuff in Walmart from Malaysia? I don't know. Oh, they were nasty. They had gusanos and oh, this is delicious. Wow, movie night. This is popcorn for me. Wow. Wow. It doesn't get better than this. Thank you, sis. Thank you to being a bad girl. And your little brother from Tampa, Florida said, love you. See you. Let's play it again. Let's finish this. And let's see what you send me next. Because I did ask for something else. Let's see. Love it. See you. Love it. See you.